In the last video, we learnt words with the root scrib. Scrib means to write. Let's revise them. Scribe, prescribe, prescribe, inscribe, describe, and finally subscribe. Now let's look at words with the root chronos. Chronos means time. Chronic. Chronic comes from the root chronos. Thus chronic means recurring or persisting for a long time. For example, chronic bronchitis or a chronic liar. Next is chronology. Chronos means time and logy is science. As per Merriam-Webster dictionary, chronology is the science that deals with measuring time by regular divisions and that assigns to events their proper dates. In simple words, chronology is the list of events in the order in which they happened. Now we have synchronize. Syn means with or together and chronos is time. So synchronize is to cause to occur or operate at the same time or rate. For example, synchronized swimming. Chronometer. Chrono means time and metron means to measure. Hence, a chronometer is an extremely accurate time-keeping device. A chronometer is generally used in scientific experiments, navigation, and astronomical observations. Next is chronograph. Chronos is time and graph is to write. A chronograph is a timepiece of equipment that measures and records periods of time. Both chronometer and chronograph have the same root chronos. Then what is the difference? If a watch is referred to as a chronometer, it has passed intense precision tests and has obtained an official rate certificate from the COSC, which is the official Swiss Chronometer Testing Institute. Chronograph is an instrument that is capable of recording time with precise accuracy. Thus it has a built-in stopwatch feature. Now let's discuss anachronism. The prefix ana is a negative root and chronos is time. Thus anachronism is something or someone out of time. For example, the use of floppy disks today is a case of anachronism. Let's revise the words learned today. Chronic, synchronize, chronometer, chronograph, chronology, anachronism. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to suggest other words that you want to learn with the help of etymology, please write to me in the comments below. Thank you.